Hi, I'm Chris from Pyrodigital, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the battery status indicator. The FCA field controller has an integrated battery status monitoring system that measures the voltage, the current and the temperature of the internal batteries. This allows a very precise battery charge estimation that will be displayed in the battery status indicator. The battery status indicator has 5 bars that stand for 100%. When 0% is reached, the indicator will start blinking red. If you do not have any other chance because your show has to go on, you can still use the FCA below 0%. However, this could shorten the lifetime of your batteries. When starting up the field controller, the battery monitoring system will analyze the batteries. During this time, the battery status indicator will turn blue. After analysis, the battery status indicator will show the current battery charge state. The field controller should not get charged while being turned on. Under this condition, the charger cannot read the battery properly and might overcharge the batteries. Of course, the FCA field controller can tolerate this condition. However, overcharging can shorten the lifetime of your batteries. This is of course also true for the old FC3 field controller and the reason why customers experienced shortened lifetimes of their batteries in fixed installations where the FC3s were connected to the charger 24/7. To warn you from overcharging, the indicator will start blinking in purple when charging the device during operation. If you need to power your FCA field controller from AC power, you can use the external power supply that you can find in the accessories on our website pyrodigital.com. See you in the next episode. Bye!